Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So just looking at the daily chart like always, this hasn't changed very much from the last video. That's why I usually don't like to post every day unless something changes, because usually stuff doesn't change very often daily. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't. So like I mentioned before, we are holding above the 20-day moving average, and as long as this fibs right here, this one's come from this swing high to the swing low. So as long as we stay above this 23% retracement, so 8,996, so 9,000 basically, we're still bullish. Now, what concerns me overall is we haven't break the 10.5 level. I've been saying this for months, is we need to break the 10.5 level for this to get very bullish. Until then, we're probably going to trade this dumb range that we've been trading forever. Also, by the way guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to reach out to 7 billion people, and we're going to teach everyone how to trade crypto. I mean, if you get anything useful out of this channel, send one friend to the channel. For each video that you get something useful from out of, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money and I'm making money. So that being said, RSI, I mean, looks choppy, so it's just I wouldn't do too much. If we were to break a lower, what will happen is we had this trend line for a long time. It's just kind of choppy, but been here for a minute, and we will probably see, if we break below this 23% retracement, retest the trend line. Also, the 200-day moving average will be at the 8,500 level. I mean, this is if something was to happen today, right now, right here. I don't think it will happen, but that's a possibility. That's why I don't think risk to reward quite checks out. We'll probably see a break lower. We'll retest the 200-day moving average, retest this trend line support, and depending on what price action tells us, then we will break higher. I don't want to do anything currently with Bitcoin because I don't think risk to reward checks out. I mean, if we grind all the way to 9,000, then that's a different story. Because then you could probably do a very small position, stop loss right below the previous low, and then your reward, it's about 10.5. I feel we break above the 10.5, and then we're going to start moving higher to the 11,500 level, and then we got to wait and see. What I would like to see is break higher the 10.5 level, maybe have one of these massive rallies right like this. We retest the 50% retracement, and then we pull lower back to the 10.5 level. If we do that, that will be ideal in this case, because then we will rally back and we will aim to break the 50% retracement. Now, before we get all excited of how much money we're going to make, just remember, price action currently sits, and it's currently telling us not to do anything. So just remember, the best trade is do nothing. Do nothing, sit and wait, do nothing. Wait until the dust settle, and then place the position. And remember, do not forget to put limit and stop losses before you go in, because if you go into a trade without knowing where to get in, where to get out, either way, whether you're making money or losing money, you're probably gonna lose money. And the whole, hey, I'm gonna sit on the coins until I die, it's not a very good thing that you could do if you want to make it in this business very long term. So you always have to have stop loss and limits when you go into a position, guys. And like I said, we're trying to narrow down how often we're going to post this video, so just make sure you leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. In our private chat, we're posting every day. You have somebody to hold your hand 24/7. We're trying to narrow that down here in the YouTube channel. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.